Well, good morning, evening, afternoon, everybody, whatever time it is in your area. Time now for another Big Matt's food review. In for a little treat today. Something I did not know they had, but Papa John's has a meal deal. I don't know if it's limited time or if it's permanent or what on their app, where it says it's a meal for one for $9.99. Go ahead and cue the intro. Well, good morning, evening, afternoon, everybody. Big Matt here. Time for another food review, as I've already said that. So, yeah, Papa John's. I did not know they had this, which is good because most of the time their prices are higher than most of the big top three. Papa John's, top two, Domino's and Pizza Hut, and then Papa John's, because they're more expensive. I don't understand why they gotta be, but either way, this helps out with the deal. You get a small one topping pizza, which is a 10-inch pizza, and a 20-ounce drink for $9.99 with tax. It came up to be $10.70. Let's take a look at this pizza. And I opted not to get that pepper that they throw in the box. Here's the garlic sauce. Ordered extra sauce on the pizza. Look at that there. Yeah. Perfect. So it's extra sauce on the pizza, and again, it's a small 10-inch. It's good if you're by yourself. It is piping hot because it just came out of the oven. It wasn't ready by the time I got there, but it was in the oven. But it only took a couple of minutes of waiting. Even gave me some Papa John's ghetto naps. So let's go ahead and look at this. You can see the extra sauce on there. Pepperoni, mozzarella cheese. And I kind of like Papa John's in a sense because they don't put the sauce. They get a little bit more crust on the end of the pizza, and that's where the garlic dipping sauce comes in, and it's really not that bad either. So let's go ahead and give this one a taste. It's been a hot minute since I've done anything from Papa John's, so here we go. Golden brown on the bottom. Your cheese and your sauce there. I'm gonna take one more bite. Okay. It's back in the day when John, whatever, when the original founder was running it before he stepped down, It hasn't tasted the same since. I'll get into that in a minute. Pepsi for the drink. This one's cold. Fresh. With that said, I'm doing this a little shaky. With that said, the pizza itself, the sauce it's not as sweet as it used to be back in the day, which is why I kind of liked Papa John's back then. My top choices, even though I've never worked for Papa John's, I worked for Pizza Hut and Domino's, but not at the same time. Whenever I worked at Pizza Hut, I would like to order my pizzas from Domino's because back then it was a better taste. And then when I worked for Domino's, I still ordered from Domino's, and then I started ordering from Papa John's as well because they got a different, unique taste. And with that said, the sauce is not as sweet as it was in the past. It's just a little. It is a little tangy. It's not spicy. It's a little kind of blandish, you know, which is why I kind of like prefer it back in the day. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the crust with the dipping sauce. The garlic sauce is still it's still good, you know. That hasn't changed. It's just garlic butter. The crust is crunchy, cooked well. With all that said, give me a second. With all that said, let's go ahead and give this thing a rating. It's hot, piping hot. Crust is baked well. Pizza is thick. The sauce is not as sweet as it used to be. Mozzarella, pepperoni's not spicy, but it's good. And you get the drink. It is a 10-inch pizza for one. That's the deal. 10-inch pizza, small pizza, and a drink for $9.99. So let's go ahead and give this thing a rating. Before I do, just make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Please consider joining my channel. $4.99 a month. It's a really good deal. It'll help this channel go a long way, making future videos. And I appreciate all my subscribers already who have joined. I appreciate you, and the ones who stuck with me as well. So with that said, it's a good deal for value. Even though it's cheaper at Little Caesars. They got the better lunch, but that's only available during lunch though. But I'm not comparing it to that. Giving this thing a rating of 87. It's still good. It's not like it was in the past. It's a solid number, 87, fully endorsed by me. For the value, it's great. Yeah, I mean, I enjoy it. So, thank you for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for the next video. You guys have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.